Hi, I'm Eileen Whipple. I'm here in Gilbert, Arizona, and I'm excited to be here today. I never thought I'd be here as a network marketer. It was not something on my to-do list for this lifetime. But basically, I was invited into my doctor's office. I was introduced to these products through him. And when I saw that ABC Prime Time, I was like, yeah, right. The guy who made the pill, did the blood work, yeah, whatever. But I also said, if that's 10% true, it's better than anything else I've done. If you know my product story, you know that this has absolutely changed my health for the better. And then it came to the portion of the business, and I actually rolled my eyes and I was like, okay, this is the part you have to sit through, because I knew network marketing worked and I knew that network marketing had excellent products, but I never knew that network marketing business would work for me. So it was just, okay, I'll just endure it to the end, right? Well, when I saw that timing, I first thought it was like, oh my gosh, I've always been a day late and a dollar short. Maybe this one would work for me. But then I saw the income disclosure statement, and that closed the deal for me because I actually have a special needs daughter, and we're putting away money for her. But will it be enough? And the one thing I know as a mom, I never want my daughter on government money, because then they make her lifestyle choices and her health style choices. And that's not okay with me. So when I saw this opportunity and I saw the timing, I was like, oh my gosh, I have got to give this a try. And when I first joined, remember, I'm coming out of 17 years of being sick. I didn't have a lot of relationships. I knew a lot of doctors and I had my favorite hospital, but I really didn't have a lot of friendships, and I'd lost that ability to communicate. But things have helped. I've grouped up with some great people, and people have helped me along the way. And now I'm actually sharing things through social media and through the phone, and it's making a huge difference in my life. And I'm excited for my future, and I'm excited for the future of my daughter. And I'm excited. I feel okay, and I feel at peace that I know that she's going to be okay. Because as you know, in a network marketing company, it's based on subscription. And you know that when the snowball starts and then it starts to multiply, it just flourishes and it builds itself. And for once, I'm not a day late and a dollar short. And for once, I'm actually feel like I can make this happen and I can make it work. But the biggest benefit of all, if you know my product story, I don't want anyone to ever go through the health hell that I went through. And if there's anything I could ever do that could help people not go through that, I am totally on board, because that loss of hope and that loss of excitement for life, it's not a good place to be. So I'm excited for people's health, and I'm excited for people's wealth, that we can be free and that we can make decisions that will make a difference in our lives. So thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day.